I'm about to get a lot of hate, guys, for sharing the information I'm about to share with you guys in this video because the information inside and the secrets and the methods of making money online I'm about to share will literally make a lot of people crazy, crazy rich. If you don't know who I am, I'm an online millionaire. At a very young age, I kind of cracked the code to making money online. And now here I am. I have nothing to sell you guys. I'm about to share with you guys some of the craziest stuff about making money online. And let's dive right into the video. Being a full stack entrepreneur, it's one of the best things you could end up doing, which basically means you have a combination of multiple skill sets that basically make you a high level entrepreneur where you don't need to even hire anyone. You can basically do everything yourself, and you could start your business ideas off the ground instantly, super fast, because you're a full stack entrepreneur, which means you know how to get traffic, you know how to market, you know how to sell, you know how to do technical things, you know how to video edit, you know how to program, just everything. You know how to build funnels and websites. Like, that is a very, very invaluable skill. So, and it's not just one skill. You could call it that, but it's a combination of just tons of skills. So, if you want to really make a lot of money, it's very common that someone who makes a lot of money online is a full stack entrepreneur. Now, every business and every business model online, it works really, really well. Only if you focus and you keep it super duper simple. So, it's kind of like if you wanted to mow your lawn, but instead you went crazy with it and did a bunch of zigzags and everything. It took you a little bit more time because it wasn't as efficient or simple. But if you just go back and forth with the lines throughout the lawn, that is the most efficient and simple way to do it. It's the same thing with making money online. Like, you got to focus on the task at hand. What's your goal? And then you just keep it simple and you go for it. And you double down after that. You double down if it's working for you. Okay. And you have to test your ideas. And once one hits, boom, it's like a rocket ship. Whew. Now, there's also three things to be super duper good at if you want to make a lot of money online, and that is marketing and sales. That's like 90% of the whole formula. And I'm always learning new marketing and sales tactics and learning new stuff. I talk to huge, huge mentors. I have a powerful mastermind and network with a bunch of different powerful people. And we always talk marketing and sales. And then there's another 10% of the formula, because I said there's 90%, which is marketing and sales, but 10% is product creation and knowing how to do that side of things and making offers and products and services. Like, that's the 10%. So focus on these three things. You're going to get far. Now, traffic requires good understanding of how to make good content, like content that people like, and then for a specific niche. And after you have mastered that and figured that out, then you do paid ads, okay? And so that's kind of the whole formula for traffic. Is like, for free, you can test your content and post it out there, and then you find out how people respond to it, if they like it, and then that's when you run it as paid ads. That's the only time you should ever do paid ads, is when you know you have content that can work, and then you combine an offer to that content and you run ads. That's like one of the best ways to do marketing online. And then the next thing is, sales. A lot of sales comes down to human behavior and psychology. And if you know what the 25 biases are, they're so, so powerful. I have a whole in-depth program on it for only 17 bucks, I think. I'm not selling anything in this video, but like 25 biases, there's like no information in the world about it other than like a few places that, kind of go in depth on it. And you should be a learning machine, seeking after learning how to apply each of these biases into your life, your business, your social life, everywhere. It is by far the persuasion tool belt. And when you have this tool belt, you know how to use the tools in it, you literally have a super duper power. Okay, it's crazy. And then when it comes to product creation, you gotta know how to combine things, how to create products, how to know what people want. You can ask people what they want and give it to them. You just gotta know how to even price things correctly. So there's a lot of elements to knowing how to create products, but those things are super important to remember. Now, this method I'm about to share with you guys, it is a very powerful method. I have some other methods to share with you throughout the video, but this one's crazy. So if you pick a blue ocean, and a blue ocean niche is essentially like, let's say you were in the real estate niche or something. and then you hyper target even further down to like doing apartments type real estate, and then you could even hone further down that lane. Okay, and that's a blue ocean. Now blue ocean's when there's like no competition. Having competition is a good thing though, because you get a percentage in a way of that market, and the market's big if it's a red ocean. So you do want to enter into red ocean a lot of times. It really doesn't fully matter if you do blue ocean or not, because if you do blue ocean, it can become a red ocean later. But you know, if you do a red ocean, there's a lot of money flying around in it. So that's very important to understand. Next is you make a lot of content. The best thing is YouTube for this, but you can do it with Facebook or Instagram too. You make a lot of content around this niche, and you give value. And those who know, like, and trust you after all the content you've done, you can run remarketing ads to everyone who's liked, commented, follows you. Like, that's powerful stuff. And you can come out with new offers to sell and services whenever you want. And remarketing ads are the most responsive and cheap ads pretty much ever, because you're just marketing to people who know, like, and trust you already. It's hot traffic, basically. Now, there's another method, and it's one of the easiest ways to make a lot of money consistently, like high ticket sales. So what it is you do content creation once again, because this is one of the best ways to build trust with people is content creation in whatever niche you pick. And then you could sell high ticket coaching or services or even products, and you sell them over the phone. And the reason why that's powerful is because you can be adaptable to the people you're speaking with. And so you get people on the phone and you figure out their needs and their wants, and then you make a connection between the product and their needs and their wants. And you offer a great service or a product to them. That is extremely valuable. This method works, bro. It works. And you can make huge sales like every single day. And you could make $10,000 plus per day, $100,000 a day when you build it up. You can have whole entire phone sales teams, everything. It's crazy what can happen. I even have a phone sales team, okay? And so I sell high ticket stuff with not even this personal brand, but I do a personal brand a little bit. I've worked with very high level people who've been my clients, and I made them a lot of freaking money. And also I run paid ads and get people on the phone in my back end of my sales funnels if I'm doing the wealth niche type offers in affiliate marketing. And I'll get people on the phone and sell them high ticket coaching and services, which are affiliate offers. And so it's very powerful what you can do with this entire understanding that phone sales is extremely powerful for selling high ticket things. And when you're doing paid ads, you can afford to do a lot of paid ads because you have such high ticket stuff you're selling. A lot of making money online, it really comes down to building an audience and building know, like, and trust. And then knowing how to get a lot of traffic and knowing how to make content that gets people to know, like, and trust you, and you can come out with new offers and launch new offers whenever you want. Like, truly knowing how to make content that people really love, that is a true superpower. That's something that can take years to master for sure. And there's some of the biggest secrets. I think content marketing is probably the most scientific element to all of making money online, knowing how to do content the right way. And so when you do content the right way, traffic becomes limitless at that point. So, and that's for any niche. And by the way, every niche is different. Every single market is different and what their interests are. And the best way to know what they like is to look at the top content inside that niche and really take notes on it. The things that are happening behind the scenes and the things that are happening on the front of the scenes, like of the videos, that make them work and make them likable to people. So look at the psychology elements, look at the freaking camera, look at the audio, look at the freaking structure, look at what they say, what they do, the angle of the camera, just every single thing, every single element of whatever niche you're doing. So when you know this, you can use this to your advantage and make great content for your niche that people just love. So yeah, that is so important, is make content that builds an audience, and sky's the limit what you can do with that. And when you make great content, you can do paid ads at that point. Super huge. Like, you can scale so fast and build a long-term business that's just massive. So that's really like one of the best ways to make money online is content creation, build a loyal audience, and yeah, sky's the limit. Now, when you're building a big business, like where you want to scale it to 8 figures, 9 figures, like this is something I'm trying to do personally, a lot of it comes down to organization, building a freaking amazing team, like not just a sales team, but like structure and a team for everything. Um, that is so important. And having focused products where you go above and beyond with each product and over deliver with each product based off the price. That is huge. And here's the thing about products is like to build awareness around one product, it requires a lot of money, time, effort, and you need to make sure that time, effort, and money is worth it because building awareness for something does take a lot of effort, like I'm saying. Like, and so when you focus down and maybe you have one product or just 3 products, you can really, really build huge awareness around it and build a massive company and business just around one offer or 3, or just a value ladder in general that people are aware of. That's huge. Now, here's another cool method for you guys is you can run worldwide cheap ads, because when you run worldwide ads, you're getting people from everywhere, but you target a specific language like English or something like that you want to do. And then you have a whole slew of great offers that would appeal to everyone in that targeted niche, but worldwide. And why this is powerful, once again, is you can get tons of attention for like 1 cent per click or less, per impression at least. And so you can literally build massive awareness around your business, company, offers, products, services. They're just so cheap. And so that method's really powerful. I've never really heard anyone openly tell this method to people. So there you go. A lot of stuff I'm sharing here, I mean, I don't want to share really, but I mean, I'm here to give. So take it or leave it. There you go. Now, I don't want to do this again, but here's another really powerful method. And I don't want too many people to abuse this one. So you can basically build the YouTube automation channel, a cash cow channel that can grow without you doing much of anything. So what you do is you would hire a whole team on Upwork or wherever else you want to do. And you'd basically come up with the video ideas for your niche, and entertainment niche is how I built up my huge cash cow channel, is in the entertainment niche and everything just entertaining. And what you do is you basically have some affiliate offers that are like top converting affiliate offers, and you link to them down below. They could be low ticket, high ticket, mid ticket offers, doesn't matter. They just need to convert. Now, what you do is you know the numbers of how much it costs per video made on your channel. And let's say it costs a total of, let's just say $50 for the whole team that you have hired, the script writer, the voiceover artist, the video editor, etc., the thumbnail designer. In total per video, it costs you, let's say $50 or $60 per video. And let's say you're just, to keep it simple, you're selling a product that's like $50. So every single time you make a video, at least if you get 1 sale, you just broke even to pay your team. And yes, a lot of people will make videos for you, for your channel. It's very real. That's one thing that really confuses people. They're like, why wouldn't they start their own channel? Well, because each of these people, they don't have like all these skills. Like being a full stack entrepreneur is powerful. You could make videos yourself if you're a full stack entrepreneur. But when you want to automate something, this is how you do it. It's streamlined. It's powerful. Like you can have a ton of video ideas and make people crank these things out so fast. And you don't need to schedule out videos. Just freaking post these videos fast. Every single video you put out, as long as it gets 1 sale for, or at least if it breaks even in the sales of whatever you're selling, whether it be CPA offers you're promoting, or people just give their email and you make money being an affiliate, or if you're doing affiliate offers, etc., or your own offers for your niche, you can hire a team, automate the whole thing. It's ridiculous, the power of this, guys. All your profit will be the YouTube AdSense revenue, and you can make more sales on top of what your team just did and the video you paid for them to make. And the money is insane with this cash cow business model. It's beautiful. Okay, so that's one of my biggest secrets to making money on YouTube for sure, because the business model is so powerful. It's like they make great videos and you coach them on how to make great videos for each of the elements of what they do, the thumbnails, etc. And they crank out videos like crazy because obviously they want to make money. And the faster you're able to do this, sky's the limit. And that's what I've been able to build. Anyone could build this. I just gave you like the powerfulest method ever. So there you go, take it or leave it. But you can growth hack your way to huge success doing this, because once again, you pay per video. Essentially it's around $100, let's say, and then you make $100 in sales or whatever you sell down below in your YouTube videos, and then all the AdSense revenue is all profit. It's crazy. It's crazy. Like, this method, we live in a time in this world that is ridiculous. Okay, now this next method I want to share with you guys is so easy, it's funny. So you could basically just make videos just recording your face, and then you build a membership website. So you make videos on YouTube, you just show your face, and you're in whatever niche you want to do. It could be the gardening niche, it could be cooking, etc. You make videos showing your face, and you just make the best content you can, and make like 100 videos. Now, in the description of your videos, you link to the membership site. Let's say people can pay $50 a month or something. And this is for anyone who's a beginner, by the way. Then you connect your YouTube channel to the Google AdWords platform. Super easy to do. You can Google how to do it. And now you can retarget people who like your content. And then you just make a simple video with your phone, and you're talking to it. And you just do a selfie video talking about the offer of what you're selling. People who know, like, and trust you, that you're remarketing to, they will get into the membership, and this is your one core product. And you can, it's $50 a month. If you get 100 people in, that's $5,000 a month. And I know a lot of people who I talk to as beginners to making money online, that's a lot of money to them. Now 200 people, you make 10 grand a month. Easy money, okay? And so building a membership site plus doing a YouTube channel in any niche, this is a very powerful method. So there you go, guys. Like this video, I gave you guys some of the craziest stuff, and share it with your friends. Peace out, learning machines.